Magandang umaga mga kababayan. Ngayon naman nasasama sa mga usapinan tungkol sa insurance. Ano nga ba ang insurance? Insurance is a financial arrangement that provides protection against the financial loss or risk. In exchange for the regular payments, an insurer agrees to compensate to the policyholders for specific loss, damages, or liabilities. As outlined in the insurance policy, the goal of the insurance is to reduce the financial burden on individuals or businesses by covering the risks related to things like health, property, life, or accident. In essence, insurance helps us to manage the risk by spreading the cost of the potential losses across many policyholders so that the individuals or entities are not fully responsible for the impact of the unexpected event. So today, mga kababayan, bibigyan ko kayo ng dalawang palagi nating narinig kapag narinig natin ang word na insurance. Ito ang life at health insurance. What is the life insurance? Life insurance is a policy that provides a financial payout called death benefit to the beneficiaries of the policyholder in the event of their death. The main purpose is to help protect the policyholder's family or dependents from financial hardship after their death. So, ano nga ba ang klase ng life insurance? Bibigyan ko kayo ng isa, yung St. Peter. St. Peter is type of life insurance. Ano nga ba ang naitutulong ng St. Peter or ng life insurance sa atin? Ang St. Peter ay buwan-buwan binabayaran ng mga empleyado or depende sa isang tao. Yung St. Peter, tinutulungan niya tayo na malesen yung mga gastusin natin in the future kung sakali mang magkaroon tayo ng biglang namatay sa pamilya or ikaw na naguhulig ng St. Peter ay bigla kang namatay. Therefore, the help of St. Peter is to lessen the burden to your family or to you kung sakali man nakinuhanan mo ng mga insurance yung pamilya mo or gumawa ka ng insurance sa sarili mo. Kapag namatay ka, hindi ka nahahanapan or hindi na magiging problema sa pamilya mo kung saan ka nila ibuburol, kung paano ka nila ililibing, kung anong klaseng kabaong ka ba ilalagay. For the help of St. Peter, tinutulungan niya tayo na maging prepared sa future or sa mga unexpected events na pwedeng mangyari sa buhay natin. Hindi ka na mahihirapan kung anong klaseng kabaong ba ang iaano mo sa pamilya mo kasi meron nang ibibigay si St. Peter kung sakali man na naguhulog ka or isa ka sa mga naguhulog nito. Ano naman ang health insurance? Health insurance is a policy that covers medical expenses due to the illness, injury, or other health-related condition. Health insurance can help pay for doctor visit, hospital stays, surgeries, prescription, and other medical services. Depending on the policy, it may also cover the preventive care like check-ups or the vaccination. So, ano nga ba yung isa sa mga types ng health insurance? Ito yung PhilHealth, guys. At yung PhilHealth, binabayaran to ng mga empleyado buwan-buwan para kung sakali man nabigla silang magkasakit, kung kailangan nila magpa-check up, na aksidente sa sasakyan, sa motor. By the help of PhilHealth, pwedeng malesen yung babayaran or ma-cover niya ng buo yung babayaran mo sa hospital. So, hindi ka na problema kung saan ka kukuha ng pera dahil nandyan si PhilHealth. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin kung ano nga ba ang mga advantage at disadvantage ng health insurance or ng insurance. Andito si Janela Rodriguez, nagpapatrol.
Thank you, Alex. As we talk about the advantage of insurance, insurance can help you in the financial protection. Insurance help you cover costs associated with accident, illness, or proper damage, preventing significant financial burden. It also helps you in peace of mind. Knowing you have an insurance, you can reduce stress, anxiety, allowing you to focus on other property. Insurance also helps you in legal compliance. Some type of insurance are required by the law, such as car insurance. Insurance also helps help you in business cognitive. In business can be used in insurance to protect you against a disruption caused by unforeseen event. The disadvantage of insurance is that premiums. You need to pay regular premiums to maintain your insurance coverage. Deductibles. You have to pay deductible before your insurance coverage kick in. Limited coverage insurance policy often have a limitation and exclusion, meaning they have not covered all potential losses. Complexity. Insurance policy can be complex and difficult to understand, leading to confusion or misinterpretations. As we talk about the advantage of disadvantage of insurance, there are many types of insurance, but we were just focusing the two types of insurance, the life insurance and the health insurance. And the advantage of life insurance is the financial security for the loved ones. Life insurance provides a sum of death beneficiary that can help you use to cover various expenses for your beneficiary, includes financial expenses, funeral costs, burial expenses, and outstanding medical bill. The debt repayment, mortgage, loans, and credit card debt. Income replacement to help your family to maintain their living standard, to your absence, and educational expenses to fund college or another educational opportunities for your children. Financial stability to ensure your family or financial security and prevent the financial hardship. Tax-free death benefits. Life insurance tax death benefits are generally tax-free from your beneficiaries, meaning they can use the money without having to pay income taxes.
Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin ang explanation patungkol sa risk inherent of each type of investment. Nagpapatrol, Abby Tolentino.
Risk inherent life insurance companies use a number of factors to determine your risk class. This includes your age, health, lifestyle, and family. Medical history. If you want to improve your risk class, the best thing you can do is to live a healthy lifestyle and work or any health concern you may have. Health insurance. Health risk insurance, also known as excess or own risk, means that you don't get a refund from the insurance company as long as the costs you make are lower than the doctor.
At dito na nga nagtatapos ang mga balita at impormasyon patungkol sa insurance. Maraming salamat General Rodriguez at Abby Tolentino sa paghahatid ng balita. Ako si Alexandra Castro, nagdiningkod at tumutulong sa paghahatid ng balita. And always remember mga kababayan, life insurance investment is good, but always be mindful where you invest. Maraming salamat.